GPT Image 2 just released and it finally dethroned Nano Banana 2. And by combining it with Seedance 2, we can create viral UGC ads on Autopilot. In this video, I show you my workflow that takes a viral UGC ad formula, some product information, and it turns it into multiple high-quality UGC influencer ads. You don't have to write a script, it only takes a few minutes, and you can combine it with any AI image and video model like Kling 3, Grok 1, and you can just copy my workflow and use it right away or build upon it and extend it. If you are still writing AI prompts manually, you're wasting a lot of time because others are creating winning ads at scale with automated workflows. But I'm gonna show you how to catch up today, and it's actually quite easy. My name is Florian Walter and this is the AI Tool Corner, where I review the latest AI software to find out which ones can actually improve our lives and businesses. Let's jump right in. So this is the workflow I've built, and the benefit of a workflow builder like this one is that we get a ton of control and flexibility over how we combine these nodes and what exactly we generate in here. The downside is that it's more complex over, let's say, a ready-made video generator that takes care of all of the steps for you. But you can just copy my workflow so you don't have to build this yourself. So it all starts with my viral UGC formula. This is just a text file with some rules for the AI on how to create good viral UGC videos that are 15 seconds long. You don't even have to understand this formula because the AI will read it for you and then generate the ad concepts. That's the cool thing about this workflow. Everything happens automatically. You just have to provide a product image and some information about the product and any preferences, like certain things you want to include. For example, I uploaded an image of this yerba mate tea that I also drink myself, by the way. I uploaded some product information that I got right from Amazon. And then at the bottom, I added an additional note. Start by letting the influencer showcase the packaged product, then show the influencer actually drinking the tea. So the AI will take these guidelines into account when generating the video. And here I have my AI influencer, Era. I will later show you how you can train the AI on your own influencer, because this is not just a single image, it's actually multiple images, so that we get perfect character consistency. More on that later. You can even train the AI on yourself if you want to show yourself in a video, but I want to use my fake influencer. Then we have this viral video concept generator. This is an AI assistant. So here you can add different nodes, and one of these nodes is this AI assistant. This is basically an AI chat where you can select one of the different models. I use Claude Opus 4.7 because it's very smart. But instead of writing a prompt manually in here, we have different inputs, so everything happens automatically. So when we click on this node, we can see that there are different lines going in here. The first thing that goes in here is our viral UGC formula, because the AI assistant needs this to create a video concept, right? Then we also add our product info, so the AI knows about them. We have our influencer and the product image. All of these inputs go into this AI assistant, and then we can add a system prompt with further instructions. I'm not gonna read all of this, you can pause the video and read it yourself if you want, but I basically tell it to create 3 50-second UGC ad video concepts based on the provided product info and guidelines. And I told it to follow the attached viral UGC formula, which is our formula here in the beginning. And I told it to export these ideas, these concepts, as a list. This way we make sure that we have 3 distinct video concepts and don't repeat the same idea over and over again. This is why we have this list here, and this list contains the 3 concepts I generated. You can rerun this for a different product and it will create completely new video concepts. Then we have another AI assistant. That's the video prompt generator. Again, I added a node, AI assistant, and I gave it a system prompt that says turn the provided video concept into a detailed prompt for an AI video generator and some further instructions. Add timestamps, voiceover script, and so on. So this takes this video concept, it takes all 3 of them one by one and turns them into 3 video prompts, which are then put into this list. So those are the instructions for the AI video generator. We could now plug these video prompts directly into an AI video generator, but I have one additional step. I have this starting frame generator. This one takes the video prompt. As you can see, the video prompts are the input, and it turns them into another prompt for an image generator for just the starting frame, because I find that this gives us better results. And this is the starting frame generator. This is an image generator that uses GPT Image 2, and it creates a 9:16 image image with the starting frame. You can also see that this says X3 because we have 3 input prompts, so it generates 3 images and puts it into this list here. Those are the results. So those are the 3 starting frames for our 3 video concepts. Let's take a closer look at the inputs of this starting frame generator. So of course we insert our starting frame prompts, but we also insert 2 more pieces, the influencer itself and the product image, because we need to have them in the image, right? As you can see, it's the same person holding our tea. And the big strength of GPT Image 2 is high text fidelity. As you can see, the text is perfect, it's crisp. Even these tiny icons here look exactly as an original product image. That's the strength of GPT Image 2 over, say, Nano Banana, which is not as precise when it comes to text. But if you want, you can select any other image model. You actually have access to pretty much all of them. Nano Banana 2, GPT Image 2, all of them. You can play around with the different models, but at the moment GPT Image 2 is the strongest one. But it's also more expensive than Nano Banana 2. Quite a bit more expensive, actually. Those are the credits here. So it might be worth to try this out with Nano Banana 2 and see if the results are good enough. So here in this list we have the results. Those are the starting frames, which we will then use in our video generator. 3 images for the 3 concepts that our AI came up with. And the influencer looks the same in all of these frames. And I find that by having a high quality starting frame, the videos also look better, even if we use a weaker model. Here I'm using Seedance 2, which is currently one of the best, but you can also select one of the other models. Again, we have access to all of them. Kling 3, Seedance 2, Croc. You can even add multiple video generators. You can add another node, go here to video generator, add the same inputs, and you can generate the same videos with different models. But of course, then you also pay more credits. So what's the input for this video generator? Of course, our starting frame, but also the video prompts, which we have here on this list in an earlier step. As you can see, the output, this line goes right into this video generator. And the AI then uses this prompt and the starting frame to generate the video. And the outputs go into this other list here in this results group. Let's take a look at these videos, and they all should follow our viral UGC formula here. They should include our preferences. Remember, I told the AI to show the packaged product, but also the tea, and it should play out these 3 concepts here that the AI generated. So let's take a look at the final videos. Number 1.
Stop scrolling if your third coffee still isn't waking you up. I was drinking 4 cups a day and still crashing by 2 p.m. Jizzery, anxious, the whole mess. Then I switched to Ka Mate Yerba Mate. Clean energy, 0 crash. Now I'm focused for hours and it's organic, smokeless, way smoother than coffee. Tap the link and ditch the jitters. Your afternoons will thank you.
Pretty good. Next one.
Piovov, you finally found a tea that actually does something. I've tried every energy tea on the shelf and felt nothing, just expensive water. Then I learned how South Americans actually do it. Real loose leaf yerba mate. Smooth, no smoky aftertaste, plastic-free packaging, and a kilo lasts me forever. Hit learn more and start your mate ritual today.
And number 3.
This one swap fixed my 3 p.m. bloat and brain fog. Every afternoon, bloated, foggy, reaching for snacks I didn't even want. Now I brew a cup of Ka Mate instead. That's it. Appetite calm, energy steady, and it's from a tiny fair trade brand, not some corporate giant. Grab yours through
So 3 completely different ads, all pretty high quality. So now you can replace the product and generate new ads, and it will put them into this folder. I have replace item selected, which means that these 3 videos will be removed and it adds the new ones. But you can always find your previous generations in the history. So all these videos are saved forever and you don't lose them. Here are a few more examples for product ads with the same influencer.
I need to tell you what happened to my boyfriend. He used to get tired walking to the fridge, couldn't even open jars. It was sad. Then he started taking Bull Shark Testo, and let's just say he's at the gym at 6 a.m. now, and other things improved too. Total alpha transformation. I'm genuinely scared of him now, in a good way. You're welcome in advance.
Yeah, this one is funny. Total alpha transformation. Let's take a look at one more.
Okay, so I finally found the solution to carrying heavy water bottles. I was so tired of lugging around liquid water like some kind of peasant. This is dehydrated water. It's lightweight, shelf-stable, and you just add water. Sourced from Hawaiian volcanoes, vegan, organic, scientifically proven. Link in bio. You're welcome.
Yeah, you can get very creative with these. I will put a link to this whole workflow into the video description below. You can open the link, clone this workflow, and you don't have to build anything of this yourself. You can just use it right away. You only need to change these inputs, replace the product image by clicking here on replace. So don't remove this element, because then it will also remove the connections. Instead, click on replace, upload your image, and then just select it here under uploads. Then update the product info with whatever you want to have in the video, and And you can also replace the influencer. I will show you how to create your own one in just a second. Then when you have updated all of these inputs, click on this viral video concept generator, and up here you can see run this node only or run from here. You want to select run from here because this will then execute this whole workflow and all the steps after it. You don't need to do anything besides replacing these inputs here. The concepts and videos are then generated automatically. To train a new AI influencer, we go back. Then we go to all tools and image generator. That's the cool thing about this tool. Everything is included in one service. All models and all different tools. For the model, again, we select GPT Image 2 or Nano Banana. Both are very good. We can add any references if we want. And then we insert a prompt. This can be pretty simple because this AI prompt enhances it automatically. Full body shot of a young, attractive Brazilian woman in her 20s. Keep the background plain white. Let's create 4 images in 9:16 ratio so we can show the full body, and let's keep the quality at high. Then we hit generate. Pick the one you like the most, and then we're gonna use the skin enhancer, which improves the quality of the image even more. We can keep the default settings and enhance this. But honestly, the original image is already quite good, and I don't think it looks like AI. What do you think? Maybe there's a little bit of a glow on the face, but it looks like moisturizer. But here's the enhanced image, and we actually have this comparison slider. Yeah, I think it looks even more natural because the skin is a bit more realistic, right? So I like this enhanced image. And then very cool, we can create variations of this image. So different shots of her, which we can then use to train our AI and get perfect character consistency. Here we can select up to 9 different shots, which will then be put into a 3x3 grid. Let's say I don't need these close-ups, but I want a profile of her and an eye-level image, and we can keep the rest as it is. So the AI generated this grid where all images are in a single image, but it also created a separate image for all of them. This is amazing. Now back in our workflow, we can change the character, we can add a new character, and then just upload all images of your new influencer, add them, give her a name and a gender, and then you can create your character and you can select it here instead of Ira. And then all the UGC videos you generate will use your own unique influencer. Alternatively, you can also train the AI on your own face. Again, the link to the workflow is in the video description below. You can just clone it and use it right away to automate your UGC video generation. And if you want to build cool workflows like this yourself and see more different use cases of what we can do with that, I will put my full tutorial on Magnific Spaces into the end card here so you can watch this next. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and then I wish you a nice rest of the day. Take care.